Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can borrow money from Opay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. I'm going to be letting you know the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. So to borrow money from Opay, you can apply for an Opay merchant loan by following the steps I'm going to be mentioning. First of all is simply open the Opay user app. You have to make sure that you have the Opay users app to you, right? So you can simply download it from the App Store, Play Store you have, and then afterwards update the app if you don't see merchant loan because it's available. Then from the home page, select merchant loan. Then once you have selected, simply go ahead, read it through the article properly and tap on review and agree to the terms of service. Then afterwards, select merchant loan credit limits. Choose the type of loan you want to apply for, and then once you've chosen the loan, you might have to go through further instruction on the screen will be available. Go ahead, go through it, then complete the loan application and you're good to go. Opay merchant loan simply offers short-term loans as well as the long-term loan as well for 28 to 42 days. So choose the one that you prefer, short-term or long-term, and whichever one you prefer, you can go with it and you can complete the application and you're good to go. Once you have received the loan, you will be notified, and that is basically it. That's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful enough, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.